I got my coat, 'cause it's December, and all these drinks. Oh, I remember that peppermint, that mocha glow, holiday magic, and a cup, let's go. Yeah, I'm obsessed with sips and snow. I need to know. Dunkin', Starbucks, or Caribou, which is my favorite espresso. Yeah, I'm obsessed with sips and snow. I need to know. Dunkin', Starbucks, or Caribou, which is my favorite espresso. Hey everyone, it's your girl, Sabrina Carpenter, and today we're living our best holiday espresso lives. I found three most magical holiday espresso drinks, and I must know which one gives me that pop star energy. Let's go. First up, Dunkin' Holiday Peppermint Mocha Latte, cozy classic, pepperminty. But is it that me espresso? Mmm. Oh, that's cozy. Like fuzzy socks by the fire vibes. Low-key magical, but I'm ready for center stage. Maybe 7 out of 10? Next up, Starbucks, toasted white chocolate mocha, fancy, festive, and intimidating. Oh, wow, that's full on stage lights, confetti falling, holiday ball energy. This is the I just walked into the studio and everyone's staring at me vibe. 10 out of 10, espresso power. And finally, Caribou Peppermint Mocha Latte. The mysterious dark horse of holiday espressos. Let's see what secrets you hold. Oh, wow. Unexpected, sweet, minty, magical, but also makes me want to hike in the snow with a scarf and my besties, cozy, quirky, maybe a little wild card energy. 8 out of 10, but in a mysterious way. Dunkin', your cozy pepperminty light, sipping you by the fire soft holiday night. Starbucks, you sparkle, white chocolate snow. Stage lights, confetti, I'm ready to go. Caribou, you surprise me, peppermint magic in the air. Mystery holiday latte, I'm sipping with flair. Honestly, they're all three winners in their own way. So, which holiday espresso do you think is that me espresso? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe for more fun taste tests and pop star energy adventures. Sipping holiday drinks tonight. Oh, peppermint sweet, I guess so. Caffeine too deep, baby, I know that's holiday espresso. Sip it up fast or sip it slow. Mix it up like a snow globe. Baby, you won't sleep. I know that's holiday espresso.